Hi guys, and welcome to another video with Code Rhetoric with Tam Talk. Hi, it is dark outside and I feel so bad because I've been seeing like all the Vlogmas videos go up and I haven't been posting. And the reason for that is because I have some news. I actually took a break from coding per se. Not everything that is specific to coding, but that I would say day-to-day coding. So hence why you haven't seen a video come up about coding. I'm currently working on a new project, so that has been monopolizing my time, and so it comes with its, pitfalls, but it also comes with its rewards, and so yeah. But I'm still in the coding industry, and what I mean by that, although I haven't been doing any day-to-day coding, I'm still teaching coding, and then I have been working on a project with as relates to coding. So therefore, like I said, although I'm not doing the day-to-day coding, I am utilizing and applying my coding knowledge and experience in a different capacity. So yeah, but like I said, I'm working on a project. I'm excited, and there'll be more about it later. It's still in the beginning phases, and so I wanted to just kind of drop in because I feel like I've neglected you all with it being Vlogmas, and it's like, oh my God, I need to get on the ball. So here I am. I am outside, and so yeah, you'll see a lot of, you hear a lot of cars going by. You see the lights behind me, right? And the tennis court and all that good stuff back there. So yeah, so here we are. So what's going on? So as it relates to coding, will I come back into coding full time, full fledged? Guys, don't get me wrong, I do have things that are going on in the coding industry, but me physically being in there, like day-to-day coding, I decided to take a break from it. Not because I don't want to say I was burning out, becoming a little burnt out. I just needed a break. I wanted to try something else. So I had to kind of release a specific thing as relates to the coding business, and that was day-to-day coding. So yeah, so that part. But I am here. So hopefully you've heard the news, now that the coding certification exams can be administered online. So that's something new. And then also we're preparing for the 2024 changes as it relates to coding. Hopefully by now, and I'm knocking on the table, hopefully by now you have received your 2024 ICD-10 CM books and are applying the 2024 diagnosis codes, ICD-10 codes for, yeah. If not, that's all I got. And so the CPT codes for 2024 will be released on January 1st. So hopefully we or your organization is preparing for those changes or updates and the guideline changes, if there are any, again, as it relates to medical coding. So yeah, so definitely take your guidelines and take the changes seriously, because it could or it will have an impact on your revenue for your organization, right? So it's very important. And I'm trying to think what else can we talk about as it relates to medical coding. Yeah, I feel like I've been out of the loop for a minute. Although I've been in the loop, I've been out the loop. What can we talk about? So let's talk about what can you do with your certification. I feel like this is an ongoing question that I've been answering, or I am answering, as it relates to maximizing on your coding certification. So given, again, the way that everything is going with the economy, inflation, things like that, you want to maximize your coding certification. I don't care what it is that you do with it. Maximize on it. I know many of you who are new to coding, you want to actually get into that day-to-day coding. You want to apply what you pay for. You want to apply what you learn, and that's normal. That's actually normal for someone who's just learning a new skill. You want to apply, but there may be there may be times where you aren't able to, I would say, apply it in the way that you perceive that you want to apply. So you have to almost become creative with how you apply your newfound or new learned knowledge in ways that are going to, I would say, generate an income, or it's going to bring you peace, is going to bring you passion and excitement about what you're doing. Now, whether that be like going into a different aspect of healthcare, whether that be taking it to another industry altogether, that's fine. Your knowledge, you can't lose your knowledge. Once you become, I don't say a certified coder, or once you learn something, you more than likely won't lose that knowledge. Okay, you won't lose what you learn. It may lie dormant within your mind, but you're going to use it, right? You just have to find your way of utilizing it or applying it. And so until you get that particular role, that particular job that you want in the future. And so hence YouTube, like I'm on YouTube. So this is another platform where you can educate individuals about coding, or you can apply what you've learned about coding and educate some others. For example, if you're new to coding, or you recently passed your certification exam, you may want to talk about some of the things that you encountered during that journey, that process of preparing for your certification. It's been many, many years since I've sat for the exam, so it has definitely changed. Things have definitely changed, and as I mentioned prior, the exam is now administered online. So the partners can be sitting in Timbuktu, and the coder could be sitting in, I'm saying Africa somewhere. I'm just being, facetious, but nonetheless, we don't have to be in the same room in order for you to take the examination. So as you can see, technology has allowed us to evolve even further in the way that we study coding, how we apply coding, and how we are taking the certification exams. So I encourage you to really sit back and maximize on your certification if you are certified. And for those of you who aren't certified, this is also a thought process that you need to have. Like, once you finish studying and you become certified, what exactly are you going to do with it, right? What is your dream goal? And it's okay to have more than one. Look at me. I have more than one thing going on with medical coding. So you don't have to be, I don't want to say stagnant, and don't get me wrong, having one job, that's fine. But if you're one who wants to try out different things, go forth with it, because you don't have to remain in that one particular spot for the longevity of your coding career, or whatever it is that you're doing. If you want to try different things, go ahead and try it. Throw it up against the wall, see what sticks. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, you won't have any regrets because you've tried it. So yeah, so I'm going to leave that there. And it is getting cool out here, and it's there's background noise, as you can hear. But I want to come on and drop a Vlogmas video, as I promised I would give you one. And as far as that project that I was talking about, I will be sharing that with you all in future videos. So hopefully I can upload some. I'm not promising I'm going to be consistent with the Vlogmas videos, but we're here, so we did one. So all right, we doing our first Vlogmas video. All right, guys. All right, until next time, code on.